Welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch all my other previous videos here. Today we have another unboxing video. So we're going to start with Amazon, which got delivered today on October 20th. I should have kept that bag. Oh well. This is by Unitech. It is, if I can figure out how to get in the box. Okay. This is a SATA to USB 3 adapter. So it plugs into my SATA hard drive here. There's the power brick. Oh, good. It sits nice and flush so I can put it on a flat surface. Here is my AC adapter, 12 volt 2 amp, and my USB-C cable. I don't know if this is going to be passed through. May not be moved. Damage of the hard drive. Data may be lost. Use the power supply. 2.5 millimeter by 5.5 power port. That's good. SATA LED light. Safely remove hardware and eject media. Under normal situation, it can read and write speed of USB 3.0. Make sure your computer supports 3.0. There will be either a corresponding speed of 2.0 or 1.1. You might have to do a partition format. XP's limitation of 2 terabyte hard drive. If the hard disk is new, it might need to be formatted. And check the disk manager, and then Chinese and Japanese. Okay, so there's that. Put that with my other manuals. So right now we'll keep this here. Next up, we got this package. Little rusty knife. So I have here some fancy company. I'm gonna have to pull up my knife and lift that tape up. This is a little vise. Let's see if it'll fit. Of course, it won't fit there. It might. I should have ordered the one that would have come with this. Oh well. That's what it looks like. Okay, so that doesn't fit that. Not the smartest person in the room here with that stuff. We have another hard drive case enclosure. Another USB 3 cable. I have a bunch of USB 3 to USB-C adapters. 4, 5. I think I got 5 of them. Oh, that's for my wife, so hopefully she's fine with this. She saw this on Temu. And I was like, get me this. I'm like, okay, fine. Happy wife, happy life. Whatever. If it works, it works. Okay, next we're going to find out rechargeable AAA. This should be the battery charger, and this should be rechargeable AA. And then, I don't know what this is. Well, let's open it and find out. Ah, okay. This is nice that it came in a nice little case. Okay, so I ordered some the other week, and I didn't unbox it, but these are the last ones I got the other week compared to, I shoved it off somewhere. Anyway, the old one was that, and that was 23 millimeter. This one is 30 millimeter, and hopefully this is 28. Oh yeah, that'll definitely nicely fit. Okay, so that's too long for this. However, let me get my screwdriver. And best of all, I don't have to drill the holes any bigger because this one you had to drill them. Give me my screw. Literally flew off camera. So off camera, I bought these as spacers because the other way it wasn't working. Then I got these now, and these are my old ones. Now let's see. Oh, this is a lot better. Instead of it being so close to the edge, now I can do that. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas to me. Now I gotta learn how to use a tape measure properly. So these are perfect. Oh, okay, the container. Okay, I see. The container's broken. That's fine. I have a special container for that, and I got another container for this. Uh-huh. And of course, a big whole warning label about rechargeable batteries. Nickel cadmium. Oh. Hey, USB-C input 5 volt 2 amp. Awesome. Which means I can use it with my current system. Fujimax. Sounds Indian, but it's Chinese. Ooh, does not say anything. Okay, so that's a start. And these should be my double A's. Oh, got lots of baggies I can resell stuff in. Oh, 4, 8, 12, and 16. Okay, now we're going to pop open one of these. You just take 2 out. And plus and negative. So let's see. Oh, 1, 2. Let's see if we can do 2 different sizes. Okay, I see. Hold on. 3. You got to put them on an angle. So there you go. You got to put them in on a little angle there. There's your batteries. Now let's see. Take one out. And so they can charge individually. You don't need a whole pair to do it. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, so there's that. We're gonna let that sit over here and charge. Finally, I can replace some of this stuff. And now, the big box. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? Come here. So, this gets delivered by Canada Post, and then this got delivered to my door. Both from Amazon. Go figure. Okay. This is power. This is my mini drill press. Handle of the bench drill adjusted drilling depth. 1.5 to 10 millimeter. Pure copper core motor. And copper is pretty expensive, and I got this for $100. Oh, 5.5 by 2.1 center hole. Oh, that's nice. I have 2 different spacings. 7-speed, 12 to 24 volts, and then all this other stuff. And it does not tell you anything other than power. Oh, look at that. I got 500 of these things from my old TVs. There it is. Plug this in proper. Oh, that's my switch. I don't know which one is on, which one is off. So it was preset to 24, so I don't know if that's low. 7-speed, 12. Oh, 12 to 24. Okay. So I don't think I need 24 volts. Oh, as always, comes with its own Allen keys. Nothing in the box. And it's even smaller than I expected it to be. Oh, 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 oh. There was nothing else. Oh, look at this. This thing's a little baby. Look at the rockabye baby on the treetop. Okay, so yeah, so you do that like you did with my blue thing over here, and There's my base. There's my plug, and that's my switch. Okay. Let's see what I can make of this. And see how loud it is, too. Throwing a power bar. Okay, now it's in. Ooh, look at that. Look at that spin. Yep, there you go. And that's hmm, that didn't last long. Okay, there we go. I just had it slip out of the outlet. Not smart. Also, why my light's flickering? Yep, there it is. So now, start making this thing. And yes, I can adjust this thing too. That's what these bits and bobs are for. Well, if I throw in a drill bit, if I can find a drill bit, 3.1 millimeter. Okay, hold on. 2.7 millimeter. And I think I lost one. Okay. Wonder if I can get one of my older chucks. Hey, not that one. Probably have to use the right one with that, which would be in this bag. Don't know why you would need 3 different sizes of hex keys. Oh, I lied. 5. There's 5 different sizes of hex keys. What in the nonsense? Let's see. Can I get down? No, I cannot get down. There we go. Now, let's see. I want this to go all the way through. I need it. I wonder. Oh, this fits nicely. Maybe I should bring this back up. Hey, it fits. Just wish that thing came with bolts. But it did not. Might have to bring this up just a little bit. I know. I did need to bring it down a bit. Not as much. I should probably unplug that. And look, these things are one's already fully charged. This one is doing that, this one that, and that, and that. Alright. I have a tool. It's a cute little tool. And we're gonna bring out the troublemaker. And we're gonna see if this drive connector works. Okay, now with a hard drive, you don't want to touch the electrical. Power's in. Okay, now this is a beefy USB-C cable or USB 3 cable. This is beefy. Okay, I'm gonna plug that in. Now we're gonna see if this reads. Oh, it turned on. If it bypasses, then I know this will work nicely. Oh, it's accessing and it's spinning. I don't know if this will mount it. Oh, volume mounted. Look at that. So this is actually works as a pass-through. And I have 8 drives to play with that have no case. And if I put something in, it'll... All right. This is a good start. All right. So we got this. Okay, then. That is that. And we got this. We got our batteries charging. We got more batteries. We got my future drive project, which has been 8 years in the making. Hopefully, I can finish it this year. Extra USB hard case. And, well, wifey's going to find out if she likes this or not. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe, leave some comments, and have a good night.